Hey everyone! So today I am making oven baked chicken wings. It is a favorite for everyone in my family. They love my chicken wings. It's healthy. I don't make it very greasy, um, and it's delicious. So enjoy. So I have 2 pounds of chicken wings right now, and I'm going to season it with some sea salt. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. I usually don't put that much salt on there, but again, these are 2 pounds of chicken wings that I'm baking for my entire family. Now I'm taking like a few garlic cloves and I am grating them over the chicken wings. If you like your chicken wings to taste with a lot of garlic, then feel free to add as much garlic as you want. Usually I just use 1 clove, but again, there's just 2 pounds, so it's a lot. Now I'm taking a handful of oregano and I'm sprinkling it over the chicken wings. I like a lot of dried oregano, so I like to sprinkle a lot. Plus, it looks pretty when it's done. I like using the Dominican dried oregano. I'm biased, I know. Has a different flavor to it, but any dried oregano will do. And last but not least, I will be splashing Bragg's apple cider vinegar to my chicken wings to add some acidity to it and bring its flavor out. I love it. Now I take my wooden spoon and I mix everything all around. Now I allow the chicken wings to marinate in the pot. Make sure you put a lid on it and put it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Time to take it out of the fridge. I left it in for an hour instead of 20 minutes. So I lined the baking pan with parchment paper and I added a little bit of olive oil all over the parchment paper so the chicken wings wouldn't stick. And now I'm placing it all over the parchment paper so I could put it in the oven. I have my sous chef helping me with this. Thanks, Mom. And I sprinkle a little bit of the marinade over the chicken wings, just a little bit. Now set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and place your chicken to bake for 1 hour. After you baked it for 1 hour, flip over and bake again for another 30 minutes until it comes out like this, nice and golden brown. Enjoy! Till next time.